tiny little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful house scene. It's super easy and colorful.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing a triangle for the roof, pointy and fun. Now, draw a big rectangle under the roof. That's the wall of our house. Below the house, let's draw the curved land, an arc shape like a hill. Time to draw a cute door in the middle. Now add 2 square windows, one on each side of the door. Don't forget the circle window right in the top center. Let's draw a chimney popping out of the roof.
La da 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 dee.
Now add stairs leading to the door, step by step. Time to make the scene more lively. Draw some bushy bushes near the house. Let's draw 2 big trees, one on each side of the house. Finally, let's add some fluffy clouds in the sky. Nice job, everyone! Our house drawing is now complete. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and sharp. This helps our artwork pop off the page. Awesome, isn't it? Now grab your color pens, it's coloring time. We're going to use rainbow colors today. Let's name each one as we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color.
La da 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 dee.
Yay!
Purple color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Brown color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Well done. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for drawing with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.